In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate drawing using UCS. One of the most common challenges users face is ensuring that their drawing is perfectly aligned and straightened when plotting it to a layout. This is especially important when you're preparing professional documentation or need to present your work clearly and precisely. So let's walk through this straightforward process together. First, navigate to your layout. The layout is where you set up your sheets for plotting, and it's crucial that everything appears correctly to properly convey your design intent. Once you're in the layout, the next step is to select the viewport. The viewport acts like a window into your drawing, allowing you to control which part is visible and how it is displayed. With the viewport selected, we now need to fix the alignment issue. To do this, we'll use the UCS command. Type UCS into the command line. UCS stands for User Coordinate System. It allows you to define and work with a custom coordinate system, which greatly simplifies this process. When you activate the UCS command, a set of instructions will appear on the command line, guiding you to align the UCS with your drawing. This can be done easily using your mouse. Click to set the desired origin and rotate the UCS to align with the part of the drawing you want to be parallel to the layout. Once you've successfully aligned the UCS with your drawing, you're almost there. Now type Plan into the command line and press Enter. The Plan command, when used together with the UCS, redefines the view of your drawing so that your current UCS aligns with the screen. When prompted, type Current and press Enter again. This setting tells AutoCAD to use the coordinates and orientation you've just defined, effectively straightening your drawing within the layout. At this point, you'll see that your drawing is aligned straight with your layout, making it ready for the next steps, whether that's detailing it further, adding annotations, or proceeding to plot. And that's it. This simple technique ensures your drawings are ready to make the best impression. Mastering commands like UCS and Plan not only improves efficiency, but also enhances the professional quality of your presentations. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.